BusyBusy has always had flexible time tracking, whether it's done by individual employees, supervisors, with a kiosk, or a combination of all three. BusyBusy makes it easy to track time in a way that works best for each company. That's why we're excited to give supervisors one more tool to use when it comes to tracking time for their crew, and it's called Grid Entry Time Tracking, also known as end-of-day time tracking. With grid time entries, a supervisor can assign hours to the cost codes and equipment their crew worked on for a project at the end of the day. For example, after selecting the project they worked on and the time of day the crew started working, a supervisor can select the cost codes they worked on. A grid is generated with his crew members down the side and the selected cost codes across the top. Now the supervisor can fill out the grid by assigning the number of hours worked on each cost code. If equipment was used by members of the crew, the supervisor can also assign job costing for equipment on his grid. Now when a supervisor is satisfied with the breakdown of the day for their crew, then they can save their grid entry. Now the grid entry is converted to individual time entries for each employee, showing the breakdown of the job costing that the employee did.